paper, and I read about tragedy. I stopped and I realized that it could have been me. Oh, oh, that could have been my mother, or maybe even my big brother. But you kept me just like you kept me here, and I want to tell you that God has smiled on me. He's been good to me. Oh, come on. Unnecessary words, way too much to carry all by myself, yeah. But you gave me the strength to make it, though I thought I couldn't take it. It feels so good to know that you care. Yeah, yeah, yeah. God has smiled on me. He's been good to me.